Okay, I'm gonna do a little desoldering. I don't have a tripod or any type of stand for my camera, so I apologize for the quality. I'm using this soldering iron with a desoldering pump built into it. So, as you can see, the solder joints go all the way through the holes, so there's lots of solder there to suck out. So if this thing does a good job, it should pull all that solder out hopefully, and it should come out with no problem. So let me see how good a job I can do with no tripod. Alright, so with the pump, you press the plunger and line it up on the joint, move it in a little circle, pop, it go. Spin in a little circle, get it nice and liquefied. Okay. And what we are left with is almost no solder on the joint. Pull out a little bit. There you go. There's a tiny little dab of solder on the middle one, maybe on this other one over here. You just touch it with a hot iron and those should pull right out. So yeah, it does a pretty thorough job. I'll do some other ones. Focus, focus. So give a little wiggle. Don't breathe that in. A lot of times you can just give the joint a little wiggle and whatever solder is left there will break off and you can just pull the thing out. But if not, you can just reheat it and it should fall out pretty easily.